Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're going to be reviewing the Polkadot, which is currently being listed on Binance as the DOT. Me, I trade since 2017. I do anywhere from 30 to 40 trades and flips per day, which averages me a 1% gain on a flip. It's really easy. I will definitely show you how to do that. You can easily get up to 30 or 40% on a daily basis. So please be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out, of course, on the Polkadot, the flips that I do, and any other altcoin news. So without further ado, let's check it out. It's currently being traded at 25 bucks. And the 24-hour volume for this coin is actually $283 million, which is not that bad. It's one of the top mostly traded coins on the Binance platform. And as you can see, it's a rather dangerous time right now for the Polkadot because it did see a few cycles right here of growth. And now it's finally going through a brand new cycle. And this cycle really looks weak. And there is a reason to it, simply because this huge bear market that happened approximately 2 weeks ago, and it lasted around a week and a half. So a lot of people lost tons of money. As you can see, also right here below, you have a lot of trading that was going on, and this shows a lot of, a lot of losses. Unfortunately, it almost 5x lost itself. So all the way from 50 bucks down to $13 per coin. This is definitely difficult for those that are still holding the bag at the top, and there are probably quite a few of you. Around 30% of the people still hold the bags at the top, while 70% of you actually sell it. So basically, as you can see, yes, there is a breaking point at approximately $16, but the recovery is rather very, very weak. So you can see the weak recovery right here. Not a lot of trading going on compared to the previous 2 weeks. So definitely a coin that is currently uh, not in a bad, you know, not in a good shape. That's what I mean. So basically, yes, there was this mega cycle, and now it's trying to restart its cycle, but I'm not too optimist for it because of so many factors. There's simply not enough capital pouring into this coin right now, and unfortunately, guys, I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but and I don't want to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt. But unfortunately, like, yes, there is this support line right here that it looks like it's trying to reach very slowly. It might do that, and then if it does, then it might actually break out to the second, resistance line that was previously very prevalent. It might happen, but there are very, very little chances of that happening simply because you can see that the growth is kind of slowing right here. So it looks more like a slump and a cycle on itself, a very negative one. Um, for the Polkadot, if you do not agree with me, please hit that dislike button. I would definitely appreciate that because I think that it's okay to not being in agreement with me. This is my opinion from my experience. Of course, it can actually reach the 30 bucks actually before dumping itself. So this is really, really difficult to predict. That's why I have other predictions in the channel where I actually do price analysis for coins that are actually gonna pump versus this one. I doubt that it will. I would, if we look really, really closely, look, the normal top and the normal bottom are here, right? And we're right straight in the middle, guys. So this is one of these coins where the price agreement between the traders is not necessarily clear. They are kind of standing in between and they're tugging on each other from both sides, the bears and the bulls, and we will see exactly what will happen in the coming weeks. This is my price analysis. Unfortunately, I cannot make a prediction for this coin because it's really in the middle. And because it's in the middle, it's almost impossible to predict. Of course, you can base yourself off the Bitcoin price because it usually affects all of these altcoins. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor or a financial expert. Be sure to do your own research every time that you invest in crypto. But this is my point of view. This is my opinion on what might happen in the future. So I definitely think, unfortunately, that it will be falling towards the $20 mark before it actually makes a small gain of approximately 23. Like it will probably get to $23. It will be like bouncing on and off, as investors are really really unsure right here. Plus there's a very bad sign that I hope that you're still listening to this video, but as you can see, there's a lot of purchase weight being added to these two latest candlesticks. Um, so this basically means that there's a lot of people that are expecting gains, yet there has been so many sales in the past on the third week. Like if we're talking about, if we go back 3 weeks ago, there's a huge mega dump of 300 million units, Polkadot's units. So guys, this is definitely, not necessarily the time to get into this coin. It might, yes, gain a bit of a price and then slump again, unfortunately. So this is not the type of coin that I would recommend right now. Again, yes, it might, reach the $30 per coin, but yet again, there's little chances of it doing so because of the speed at which it is going upwards. It is kind of slowing down. Guys, so what do you think about this price analysis? Let me know in the comments below. I would definitely want to hear your opinion. And also, if you want to book some one-on-one time with me, there is the link down below with my Patreon also. So see you guys in the next episode. Cheers.